Is it good?
Crab.
Yes, we have slime. Okay, y'all. Ooh, oh, I like that. I like that.
Yeah.
Fine. Oh, wow. Hi, hello. Yeah. Cookies. Get dirt on it, yeah. Welcome back to Laugh and Giggles Daycare, where kids laugh and they definitely giggle. Look, today you guys, we're just doing different activities, fun Friday activities, and the kids are actually eating still, so I'm waiting until they get done, and we're going to just roll out the activities. I'm gonna turn the camera around and show y'all everything we're doing today. Just open play, different fine motor activities, tabletop activities, and all that good stuff. Yeah, if you want to continue to watch this video, go ahead and continue to follow us throughout the day. If you're not subscribed, could you consider subscribing? We love new friends here. If you are subscribed, thank you so much. Give us a thumbs up, comment, and let us know what you're doing. If you're at a daycare, if you're in home, or just got kids, what are you doing today on Fun Friday? Let me go ahead and get started. Ooh, good job. Is it good? This is my first time. I don't think Elijah like it, but this is my first time trying them with this. The Danimals yogurt, strawberry yogurt. I'm gonna go to Sam's and get some because all the rest of them actually is drinking it. So I'm gonna try a different type of yogurt. I think like the smoothie, the blueberry, I believe. They may have other flavors too. Okay, you guys can get up. Now we do have the table for y'all to do little crafts and color and stuff.
I like doing crabs.
You do? Okay. You done, Ashley? Are you done with this, baby?
I'm doing the crabs.
You done? Okay. The light table over here. So thank you. Yeah. You guys, we have slime. I showed this in my one video. Went to Five Below and got some little slime to add to our Fun Friday activities. So I'm gonna pop this out and let's go play with this. Jelly. Ooh, peanut butter. I actually took this from my granddaughter. She's not playing with it, she's at school. Macaroni. So yeah, and bacon. Look, Mariah. I'm gonna bring the table off for the slime. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna put the slime table right here. So it actually looks like jelly, and it smells like jelly too. Ooh. See the jelly? Oh, and the peanut butter.
Whoa! Peanut butter slime. This guy. This is Jim.
Look at that.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at that bacon.
I
Want the bacon? Oh wow, so this comes with the little beads. I'm gonna mix it up first.
I put all of it because I want to make it like a rainbow. See?
Yeah.
In there, oh my gosh.
Ooh, look at that.
Look, this looks so pretty. You like it?
Yeah, it's pretty.
Thank you.
Look at that. Good job. We also have stickers. Look, Ashley, you love stickers. Look at the stickers. Stickers. Wow, look at the stickers. Pull them off. Pull the stickers. Good job. All right. You want stickers? Get some stickers. The little ones are digging this table. I like that. I got to get some more butcher paper. I ran out of butcher paper. And I got to get some stronger tape. That's why I got that utility tape on there. And they can play at the light table as well. Wow. We have other slimes. I'm not going to open this up today because I've got enough slime out. But they can play with the little fidgets and stuff. You guys, we have fidgets. You like that?
Yeah, I know how to make slime.
Yeah, you know what that is that you're playing with? What is that? What is it? Smell it.
They taste like...
It smells like peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Yeah, that's the peanut butter and that's the jelly. I gotta find the bread that you can spread the bread. Spread the peanut butter on the bread.
You don't have no bread?
No, I don't have the bread yet.
Oh no.
Wow. What number is that?
5.
5. So let's put 5 of the gems on there. 1. Go ahead, get another one. 2. Put it on there. 2. 3. 4. And 5. That's 5. Let's get another one. Want to get another one? See, different ones. See? Yeah.
8.
I just had to revisit the art table. Look at the art table, y'all. Y'all are doing an awesome job. All the stickers and the people, and you're drawing little faces. This you?
Yeah, that's mine.
Oh my goodness, look at that. We're doing a lot of fine motor. Oh, pulling the stickers off. With the paper off the stickers.
I can't in the camera.
Oh, wow. She mixed the jelly and the peanut butter together. Oh, and then she put some little sprinkles in there. I'm eating my breakfast, y'all, and it's almost time for lunch. Kids love this. good. I'm so glad that you're feeling good. Yeah. It's time for lunch, you guys. It's time for our pizza. Pizza. We are eating, and I'm about to feed little man. So we have pizza, mixed fruit, veggie straws, and we have apple juice. And I didn't give them a dessert because they're fixing their own dessert this evening after their nap time. Yeah, a special dessert. It has to do with our plant spring thing. So yeah. So y'all stay tuned for that. And all this stuff I gotta watch this weekend. Yeah. Okay, you guys, so this is our evening snack activity, and we're doing our own garden fudge cup. Pudding for the ground. This is going to be the dirt, which is the Oreo cookies, and they're going to just beat it with the hammer. And then we also have some worms over there. So go ahead and beat your bag. Yeah, beat your cookies. I took the icing off of there so it can, you know, be more look more like dirt instead of with the white stuff. Good job. Beat your cookies. Good job. Beat your cookies. Look. Here. Good job. The cookies on there. Look, put your cookies in there. Yeah.
Ready.
Good job, Ashley. Wow. Here, get you some worms. Put you some worms in there. Here. Get your worms out. Look, get your worm. Get your worm. Pick your worm up.
I'm done with you.
You done? And put it in there. See? Oh, look at that. Put your worm in there. Put your worm in there in your bowl. Oh, wait, look at that worm. Oh my goodness, Micaiah. You want to put some more? You want to pour all your dirt on it? Yeah.
Oh my God.
Wow. I had to get little man because he just...
Fine.
Yeah. You like that? You don't want no more?
You like to say, I don't like that though.
He don't like it no more. You just like the cookies, huh? Here go cookie. Cookie. No more cookies either. Oh well.